Hi guys, today we'll show you how to find out the age of your tire in your Toyota RAV4. So on each tire you will see this dot and a series of numbers. After that you're looking for last four digits. In this case it's 0620. The first two digits represent the week when this tire was made, and there are 52 weeks in a year. And the last two digits represent the year. So in this case the tire was made on the 6 weeks of the 2020. This information can be very important in case if you have an older vehicle and you want to find out the age of the tire, or if you buy used tires, for example. This will help you to choose the right tire for your RAV4. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this is helpful. We'll see you in the next video.